her have a massive heart attack, and she literally dropped dead in the SkyTrain. Some of you know her, some of you don't, some of you heard about her on Sunday. You know, every one of you has friends, every one of you is going to end up in a situation where you think you have everything under control. You know, you need to take care of your friends. You know, sometimes your friends are in a position to take care of themselves, and that's when you step up for them and you take care of them. And I ask everyone, you know, walk into the kitchen and get your own drink. You know, it's that simple, you know. And it's not necessarily, I understand that what happened isn't what was intended to happen. I don't believe that they meant for Jenny to die, but that is the result that happened. And she had not gone, or if one of her friends had stepped up, or if somebody had never handed her that drink, then I wouldn't